Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to find recorder and click on it. Now tap Agree, choose Allow, and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one, and if you want to end it and save it, click on the square one over here. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, just click on this bin icon over here and just delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!